Dorman Quick Disconnect is pleased to introduce the new fuel line repair kit and replacement system that will revolutionize the way fuel system repairs are made. The Dorman Quick Disconnect Fuel Line Repair Kit will give you the ability to fabricate custom nylon replacement fuel lines. The kit allows you to build lines to any length using new OE-style fittings. The Dorman Quick Disconnect Fuel Line Repair Kit includes everything needed to perform the fuel line repairs that service dealers encounter every day. The Dorman Quick Disconnect Fuel Line Repair Kit includes straight and elbow connectors, 2 10-foot rolls of nylon tubing, a heavy-duty tubing cutter, brass unions for joining nylon line to steel lines and nylon line to nylon lines, and a professional quality tool that attaches connectors to nylon line and joins nylon line sections together with ease. Have you ever tied up a bay waiting for an expensive OE fuel line delivery? Have you been frustrated at the repair time needed to replace an entire one-piece OE fuel line? With the new Dorman Quick Disconnect Fuel Line Repair Kit, your wait has come to an end. Today's undercar and underhood compartments are tighter than ever. This makes a simple repair, such as replacing a fuel line, both time-consuming and difficult. Fuel line failure is a common occurrence when servicing the fuel filter during routine maintenance. Steel lines twist, existing nylon lines become brittle, and quick connectors snap easily. In the past, these problems required a call to the OE dealer, time spent waiting for a part, and hours needed to replace the entire fuel line. With the Dorman Quick Disconnect Fuel Line Repair Kit, you will be able to fabricate custom-length fuel lines on demand. The Dorman Quick Disconnect tool allows you to attach 2 sections of nylon tubing using the supplied clamp lock adapter, and wing nuts. Select the appropriate size union fitting. Using the clamp block and clamp block slot adapter, insert the tubing in the clamp block, keeping the large smooth clamp block ends facing the work. Position the clamp block and the block adapter on the tool slots. Select the second clamp block and install with the large smooth openings facing the union. Squeeze the trigger repeatedly until the barbs on both ends are fully inserted. The resulting installation is a secure nylon-to-nylon line connection. For the straight style connector nylon repair, you will need to select the clamp block, straight connector holder, and wing nuts. One of the key components of this patent-pending kit is the clamp block. Note the smooth hole openings on one side, and the threaded or ribbed hole openings on the other. The threaded ends hold the tube securely, while the smooth ends serve as a recess to guide the connectors into the tubing. The smooth opening should always be positioned facing the connector that is to be attached. Select the clamp blocks and insert the fuel line through the appropriate diameter hole, keeping the wider smooth ends of the holes facing the connectors. The fuel line should extend 1/4 inch beyond the clamp block. Insert threaded wing nut through the clamp block and clamp bar. Insert another wing nut from the opposite direction. Tighten both wing nuts securely. Line up the connector with the tubing. Squeeze the gun's trigger until the hose has cleared the connector barbs. If the fitting is difficult to insert, apply a light film of motor oil to the connector barbs. The resulting installation is a quality straight connector to line connection. Follow the same installation method using the elbow connector holder instead of the straight connector. Position the connector in the cradle, secure with a supplied plate and wing nut. Install the clamp lock as before, allowing for 1/4 inch of the hose to protrude. Align tubing with the connector barbs and squeeze the trigger. If it is difficult to clear the barbs, or the holder plate prematurely contacts the block, insert the provided wedge adapter into cradle to remove excessive play. The resulting installation is a quality elbow connector to nylon line connection. Thanks for your interest in the Dorman Quick Disconnect 800-300 Fuel Line Repair Kit. By making your own fuel lines, you are able to inventory thousands of lines in a kit that takes up less room than 2 brake rotors. In addition, the Fuel Line Repair Kit can make your shop more efficient and profitable by not having to go to the OE dealer for each fuel line repair. Our patent-pending tool design and OE fittings guarantee that you will be satisfied with the kit's performance for years to come. For information on purchasing the 800-300 Fuel Line Repair Kit or any other Dorman parts, please contact your local distributor.